Also, do y'all see my jawline starting to come back? I'm getting skinty again. I mean, it's still fat, but like, y'all just wait on me. Hey, hello friends, I'm bored. What are y'all doing? I am going to just put makeup on because like, what else am I supposed to do right now? I'm just kidding, I have plenty to do, but anyways. Today I'm gonna use the Zulu by Juvia's Place. It's got all these bright colors. I'm gonna use this primer on my eyelids. Oh wait, no, I haven't done my eyebrows yet. Frick. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. And those stay the same, so I'm not gonna really talk through that at all. I'm gonna use a primer on both my lids. I'm gonna use this yellow right here and just kind of throw that in there. You're probably not even gonna be able to really see this, but just for the sake of doing a transition shadow, I'm gonna do it. Cool. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna use a really light colored concealer. This is a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I don't really know how to explain this part, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so this line is not super sharp, but I'm gonna go over the edge of this with like a color when I'm done anyway, so I'm not gonna like freak out about it too much. Okay, I went ahead and did the other eye. I know these don't match, but I'm hopeful that this will turn out looking some kind of decent, so we'll see. So anyways, I'm gonna start with this yellow again. I'm just gonna start packing this into the inner part of my eye. Now I'm gonna take this bluish shimmery color. I'm gonna start applying this one. It looks very green. Maybe it's because I mixed it kind of with the yellow. Like that looks super green. It looks not like that in here. I don't know how I feel about this anymore. I'm just gonna keep going because I don't care. I'm gonna use this one, which is a matte shade now. I'm gonna kind of finish off the end of this with that color. I'm applying this very messy, but only because I know I'm gonna have to clean it up either way, so as long as it's like filled in, it doesn't really matter. Alright, mercy Jesus. Cool. Now what I'm gonna do is take this tiny little angled brush that I have, and I'm going to, I'm trying to decide what color I want to use. I was going to use this bright pink and do like an outline thing, but I can't decide if I want to do that anymore. Maybe I should use blue. Where's my purple one at? This is, no, you know what? I'm just gonna use pink anyways, and if it looks crazy, it'll be alright. I'm not going anywhere. So I'm gonna use this NYX Vivid Brights cream liner. in Love Overdose. I've used this before. Scary. So basically what I'm going to do is where you can see where I cut the crease out, I'm literally just going to go right along the edge of that and make a line with this pink. This stuff is like kind of stiff, and so making this line and like not jacking it up is kind of hard. I can't even tell if I'm getting a solid line or not. Yeah, that's probably gonna come off. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Okay, and then I'm also gonna use that to like connect it and do like a winged liner. I hate myself for doing this because this crap is so hard to get off. And I'm really over here doing the most with it. But it's stressing me out. Okay, now that I have a pretty solid line there, I'm just gonna start to thicken up the wing situation. This is not. Please be nice to me. This is annoying me because it's like not smooth. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this makeup wipe and just go right along this pink and clean up. Crap. And then I'm gonna go back and fix that a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna pop on some lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are INB Iconic lashes. They're really big and dramatic, so I'm gonna pop that on. I need my freaking tweezers, and I do this every single time I record a video. Every single time. Oh my gosh, bro, what are you doing to me? Oh my gosh. Like, what did I do to you to deserve that? Cool. So anyways, I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna go finish this eye, and then we'll come back. Oh, actually, I'm gonna go finish this eye, do my foundation, and we'll come back and finish up. Okay, so my camera, for whatever reason, is like about to die. I guess it's because I'm stupid and left the camera running the whole time that I wasn't recording. So hopefully this doesn't die. I'm going to use the same primer that I used on my eyelids and just kind of dab it. I have to sneeze. Kind of dab it under my, like on my lower lash line. So I'm just gonna kind of smear that on there real quick. Oh, I just like stabbed myself in the eye. Okay, I'm gonna just use like the same exact colors that I used on top. So I'm going to, I don't even know what to grab right now. I think I'm gonna use this one. This one's pretty. I'm just gonna kind of slap it on there. Pretty far down. Yep, looks good to me. I wish I had some lower, like, individual lashes. I should have bought some of those. I look crazy. I use that same NYX, whatever this crap is called. And I'm going to put that in my waterline. Another brush. I'm going to take that same turquoisey color again and just put it a little closer. Kind of deepen it up a little. What else do I want to use? That looks crazy. I'm going to reconceal down here because I think I brought that down a little farther than I intended to, and I look crazy. Do the things I should have done. I don't know that I just fixed that at all. I'm going to use I'm going to use the Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony to bronze up my face a little bit. This is so cool tone. I can't. Okay, I'm going to use my James Charles palette to warm it up a little. Because I don't want to look that cool tone. Oh my gosh. Oh, just jerked that up so bad. I need to just quit. Okay, I'm going to contour my nose too. I really don't know if this is even still recording, so I need a monitor. Anybody want to donate $600 to me? My videos would be so much better if I had a monitor so I could see what the heck I'm doing. And when my camera's running and when it's not, when it's focused and when it's not. Or if anybody has one they want to let me buy from them for the low, let me know. That pink shade that's in here as my blush today, just cause like, why not? Where's in my eye, like? I really can't see right now. Oh gosh. To highlight my face, I'm gonna use this Milk and Honey palette. Shout out to my girl Charlene for giving me this and some other stuff. You're the best. I'm gonna take this. Ooh, I should use this one. This one's like pinkish. I'm gonna use Oh Honey. I hope it doesn't look ashy. Oh shoot. Okay. I shouldn't use this brush. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit. Yeah. This is from Beauty Bakery. Okay, so my camera died, and I don't know at what point it did die, but hopefully you saw enough to know how I did this. Anyways, I think after it died, all I did was put on mascara. Oh, and no, yeah, I did mascara, and I think I showed all my highlights, so I just finished highlighting my face, so I put it on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, my cupid's bow, and the inner corners of my eyes, and I just used that same thing, the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Oh Honey shade. Per usual, I'm gonna do the same thing I always do. I'm gonna just take a dark brown eyeshadow and go for this to darken it a little bit more. See that? Beautiful. To keep it kind of not too dark, I'm going to use this NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Seduction and just use that in the center. It's just like a really light nude pink. Okay, and I think I'm done. I probably would never wear this out anywhere, but I just thought it was cute and different than what I normally do, so yeah. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. Share with your friends if you want to. Leave any comments or suggestions on videos that I should do in the future. And happy quarantining. Bye.